Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and install FortiGate firewall and MikroTik images to your PNetLab environment so you can use and practice your networking labs. First of all, I'm going to open my VMware workstation and it is the IP of my PNetLab, so I'm going to type it on my browser. It's already login, but again I'm refreshing the page to show you. So if I right click here and click on node, and here you can see there are multiple images like Cisco router, Cisco switch, Fortinet, FortiGate, MikroTik, and suppose firewall, and also I have Windows Server and pfSense firewall. So these are the images which I added to my lab. I'm going to delete the Fortinet image from my lab. So for this purpose I'm going to open WinSCP. This is a lightweight software, so you can install and download from internet. And here again I'm typing the IP of my PNetLab, so 192.168.0.108 and hit enter. I'm typing my username and password, and now I am in the PNetLab. So if you want to delete some of the images in your lab, so you can also follow the steps. So here double click on the folder, and here you need to find OPT. So here is the folder of OPT, double click it, and again click on UNetLab, and again click on add-ons, and again click key moves, and here is the all images which I added to my lab. So I'm going to delete the FortiGate 6.2.3. so I'm right click on it and delete. So again if I go to my lab, and right click on it and click on node and Fortinet FortiGate, and here's I have only 7.0 version and I have deleted my 6.0 version. So so here you can see I have 7.0 but I don't have 6.0. so I'm going to install it again. I'm going to open my solar putty, and again I'm typing the IP of my PNetLab, so 192.168.0.108 and hit enter. I'm login as a root. Let me enter my password. Now this is a universal and very important command to add any image to your environment. This way you can add Windows servers, Fortinet, Cisco, anything you want to practice your networking labs. So this is a common command to add images. So I will also provide these commands in the description. So I'm going to type here I share, actually I'm searching images, so this is the command I share to search Fortinet. So you can also type only 40, so it will automatically search and find the relevant images to this keyword. This is the list of Fortinet images and VMs, so you can add to your environment. So I'm going to add the 6 point version FortiGate firewall. So here is the version. You need to keep one thing there, that is the serial number, because now I'm mentioning the same serial number in my command. So if you want to add 7.0, so you need to have these serial numbers 358 or add this way. So I'm going to add the 6.2.3 version. The serial number is 352. So here is the format of command. So I'm typing I share to full chemo, and the number is 352. So here I type 352 and hit enter. Now I'm going to add another image as 6.0. so the serial number is 351, and so I type the same command. In the last I type 1 and hit enter. These images has been successfully added to my lab. Minimize it and refresh my lab and check it. Click on Fortinet FortiGate. So here as you can see, I successfully added to my lab. So this is the same method if you want to add the MikroTik router. So again I'm going to open the solar putty and type here I share to search mic and hit enter. So this is the list of MikroTik images, so which you can add to your PNetLab. So this time I have MikroTik images, so I'm not going to add. So if you want to add Windows Server to your PNetLab, so you can use the same method and type here I share to search win. So here you can see there is the list of different window operating system, like Windows Server 2019, 2016 and R2 servers, and also there is Windows 10 in other operating systems, so you can add them in your PNetLab. So this is the method you can add multi-vendor operating system and images to your lab. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video.